Hey guys, here's a quick little update of the FTMO challenge account. Some people in the comments were asking to see this. I haven't been updating it every single day. The weekend just passed, so obviously I couldn't take any trades over the weekend, and I just didn't get many trades in. So the account has changed by a little bit though. It's now in the positive, so I'll just show the couple trades that were taken since some people were interested in an update. So obviously, I can't trade this challenge full time, so it's not like I'm going really crazy on trading it. I'm just doing a quick morning scan at the market, or when I wake up, I should say, and seeing if there's any trades to be taken around that time. But yeah, let's see how this thing does over the course of the entire month. That would be interesting to see if a non-optimized strategy ends up in the positive or not. But yeah, here's an update of those trades. All right, so in a short on the US dollar against the Japanese yen. So see how this one plays out. All right, so update on the FTMO account. We have a winning trade on the US dollar against the Japanese yen short. It was actually hit on this big drop down right here. This one took forever to play out because it was just ranging sideways, but eventually it hit. And then we have another entry on Australian dollar against the Swiss franc, which we'll take a look at right here. So as you can see, we got hidden divergence. If we look at this pullback right here and the RSI for this pullback, we can clearly see that the RSI is much higher over here, but price has made clearly a lower high while being under the 200 EMA. And then we got that cross down on the stochastic. So here's the entry right here, and we have stop loss above the swing high and targeting 2 times the risk. Okay, so we'll see how this one plays out. The balance of the account is at 9,989, so still break even. And it's just kind of going to be break even until there's a few winning trades in a row, and we'll see how it plays. All right, so the Australian dollar against the Swiss franc trade just hit its profit target. I'll kind of recap why it was entered. So we got the lower high on price here compared to this pullback, and we got a higher high on the RSI, giving us hidden divergence. So compare this peak here on the RSI over to here on this pullback. We get a higher high on RSI, but a lower high on price. Price is under the 200 EMA on the 30-minute. Got the stochastic to cross down and then enter the short. So targeting 1 to 2 times the risk, and it was successful. Anyway, the account is up by just 73 bucks, 0.73%, and ideally it would be up by 100 bucks, but can't be perfect. Prices change, calculations aren't exactly on the dot, and in a perfect world, it would be up by exactly 100 bucks, but it's not. So anyway, we'll continue to see how this strategy works. In theory, it should be profitable over a series of many trades. It's going with the trend. It's using a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Yes, the stop loss placement is not ideal. Yes, there's additional things that can be factored in. We can use higher time frame analysis, but with a super simple strategy that's very bare bones and not optimized whatsoever, it would be cool to see if it can pull a profit in the next few weeks. But it did come back from being down because it has a good risk reward ratio. So we'll see how it does over the next couple weeks. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you have a nice day.